Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Shelby, and today I created this look right here. You can follow my Instagram and Twitter. They are both just Shelby C. Bryan, so easy peasy. So let's go ahead and get into this look. So I went ahead and moisturized my face a little bit before. Now I'm going to be going in with the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. And as y'all know, this is Jeffree Star approved, and he is correct. There's no smell like at all to it, but it literally feels amazing on the skin. So what I do is I just kind of get a little tiny bit, and then I put it in my hand and I kind of mix it with my fingers, and then I just kind of put it all mainly in my T area. And I'm just gonna let that sit in for a minute or so. Now I'm gonna be going in with the new Morphe Fluidity foundation. And then I'm gonna be going in with just the Morphe Beauty Blender. And I do have to say, it is very full coverage. I've already used it a few times. And I don't know if y'all could see, I did have a little bit of blemishes right there. They're now starting to heal, but it really does cover really good, and I love it too because it's also buildable. Put a little bit on my eyelids. I don't know if y'all can see it, but now I'm going to be going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Air Blush Flawless Finish. And then I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill JH06 brush. And I set that all on my forehead just to help with those wrinkles I have. And then I do kind of crease in this area, so I kind of set it a little bit down here. And in this region, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'll be right back. So I do have a new way of doing my eyebrows. I kind of like them more natural looking, not really filled in, but I'm planning on making another video over how I do my eyebrows, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all what products I did use for them today. I did go in with the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo, and then I went in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and then just to set them, I used the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Now I'm going to be going in with the new Morphe concealer. Then I'm going to be going in with the Born This Way concealer. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put a little, just to kind of mix it a little bit. We'll go and blend it. A little bit on my nose, lip, and then chin. Then I kind of go back because I use the flat side to put on my foundation, and then I use kind of like the pointy part for my concealer. So I go back in with the part I used my foundation on, and then I just kind of blend them in a little bit. Now I'm going to be going in with the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And then the brush I'm going to be going in with is the Jaclyn Hill JH07 brush. And I dip in a little bit of the Fit Me. Then I kind of just set that underneath right there. Kind of bring it down a little bit to where I kind of crease in that area. Do want to set my eyes a little bit with it. Then I'm going to be going in with the Morphe M437 brush, and I just use this to kind of wipe away that Fit Me powder. I don't like to let it sit for too long. Now I'm going to be going in with the Marc Jacobs bronzer, and then I do go in with two brushes for my contour. So I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill JH02 brush, and then I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill JH05 contour brush. I use this one to do my forehead because you do not want a big forehead. I feel like I have a ginormous forehead. I hate it. And then with this one, this is the one I use for my kind of contouring. And what I do is I start from the top of my hair and I kind of bring it down to my mouth using circular motions. Now I'm going to be going in with the Hoola by Benefit bronzer. I have been mixing up my bronzers a little lately. This one is a little darker than the Marc Jacob ones, and I do kind of like my contour bronzer to look kind of very deep. So just mix those a little bit, kind of just put a little bit on my forehead here. And then I go in with a Morphe M433 brush and I go into the Marc Jacobs bronzer, and that's what I use to contour my nose. Now I'm going to be going in with the Kylie blush in Winter Kiss. And this is the color. It is just such a pretty pink color. So then for my blush, I go in with the Morphe M310 fan brush. I love putting my blush on with this brush because it just puts it on so seamlessly and flawless and just blends in perfect with my contour. And I have been going a little crazy with the blush lately. I never used to be a blush person, but oh my goodness, I love Kylie blushes. They're probably one of my favorite products from her line. See, I did go a little crazy with the blush, but that's okay because once I do the eye look and stuff, it's just gonna look so pretty. So now I'm going to be going back in with the Fit Me powder, and then I'm just going in with this Sephora Beauty Blender, and just to kind of cut my contour a little bit, I do go from my ear kind of midway. And now for the eye look today, I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Sugar Palette. Oh my god, it's so pretty on camera. I'm obsessed with this palette. I actually got this palette for Avery's birthday. It's actually in her birthday vlog, so go check out that video. Yeah, but she was so nice and she let me borrow it for a few days. So now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe R37 brush, and this is like my go-to brush. I use this every day for any look. It's just, I love this brush. And then I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, Tongue Pop. And I put this all in my crease area. So now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe M433 brush. And then I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, Cavity, this very magenta pink. It's probably like my favorite color in the palette. And then I just pop that all over the lid area. And now I'm going to be going in with this brush. It's the Morphe E17 brush. And because I couldn't really get in those corners with the M43 brush, that's what I use this very pencil type brush for. And I just kind of get in that area. Then I'm going to go back in with that M433 brush, and I'm just going to go over it again, just patting it all over the lid. And I do kind of go up in the crease area with that other shade I used, just to kind of make it more pigmented. And then I'm going back in with that R37 brush, back in that shade Tongue Pop, and then I go over the Cavity shade and I just blend it in, just making sure there is no harsh lines. Now it looks very blended. So now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be using the brush JH37. It's just this really cute blending brush for that lower lash line. And I'm gonna go in with that shade Tongue Pop again. And then I use this to just blend. and I do go and blend in with the eyeshadow on top. Now I'm going to be going back in with that M437 brush just to wipe away that baking right there because I don't like it to set too much. I'm going to be going in with my favorite mascara, the BADgal Bang by Benefit mascara. And I'm going to be applying that to my top lashes. Just a very thin coat. I'm going in with the Flutter Lashes Intoxicating Lash. These are one of my favorite lashes by them. And then in my previous videos, I'm going in with the Duo Brush On Adhesive Glue. You can still kind of see my real lashes underneath, but once I let it dry, I just go in with my tweezers or my fingers to kind of mesh my real lashes with the falsie. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil. And then for my lower lashes, I'm going to be going in with the MAC Extended Play Mascara. So now that I kind of let my top lashes dry a little bit, I'm just going to use my finger to kind of mesh my real lashes into the falsies. Now I'm going to be going in with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. And I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Setting Spray. Then I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics highlighter in Uranus. And then the highlighter brush I'm going to be using is the Jaclyn Hill JH09 brush. And this is what the highlighter looks like. It is just a very gold champagne-y color. It's super pretty. Ooh, that glow. A little on my nose. And then to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill JH42 brush. And then because I like it to really pop, I'm just going to spray a little bit of my MAC Prep and Prime spray on the brush. And then I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. And I put this on my lips before I put on my lipstick just to make my lips just a little plumper. It does have a little stinging, burning effect, but it's not too bad. And then after I kind of let that sit on and I feel my lips are plumped, now I'm going to be going in with my favorite lip combo ever. And now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Virgin. And then I just kind of let that dry. And now I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Shine Compulsion lipstick in the shade Baddest Beige. And then I just set this right on top of the lipstick. Then I do one more spray. Okay guys, well this is the finished look and it is a perfect look because Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and I like it because it's not too of a dramatic look. It just adds just a pop of color. It's super easy, and as y'all watch the video, I literally only used 2 shades from the palette, so it won't take you long at all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I have tons of video ideas that I am going to be filming in the future for y'all, so stay tuned and I will see y'all in the next video.